What's up guys, and welcome back to Mile High Customs. Today we have this Ultravision Sunset Chameleon tint. We're going to be installing on this beautiful X6M. Let's go ahead and get started.
Yeah, sipping essential, that's the essentials, I'm influential. Yeah, straight fundamental, that's fundamental, on instrumentals. Yeah, speed of the tempo, yeah, we got potential. Shoot a movie like I'm Denzel, running my route to the end zone.
So we already got the windshield prepped and cleaned. We did wipe it with a dryer sheet. The dryer sheet is going to help reduce any static and make it a lot easier to kind of squeegee and to shrink the film. This is the sunset shade, and the reason for that, it kind of looks like a sunset.
Yeah. I'll burn the bridge as we walking across it. Certain shit I cannot see after I saw it, I promise I'll let go of everything I wanted. Once you turn your back on me, I'm painting on the target, Van Gogh with the way that I brush it off. No use of breathing life in it if love is lost. Look at me surprised like it's something wrong while I pour the gas and get to lighting shit like fuck it all. I'm hearing you out, my baby, talking cheap. Experiences with you turn me to somebody that I thought I'd never be. Let's get to the root of it, I don't focus on fun and leads. Gave you my all, tell me what the fuck you got for me. Arms used to be open like the options that you kept. Knew how I was rocking, you were rocking on the fence. So I chose for you, bet you didn't predict how this would end. Bad times, good luck, hope you never love again. Started a backtrack, recalled a ton of times I was backstabbed. Thought if you would rob me for some years, you'd have a black mask. Where's the mad chat? I got something for the both of us.
So we got the film all shrunk, it's all cut, and now we're about to start the installation process.
Nah, it ain't easy to another year alive, pushing my dreams, finding balance while I'm looking at screens. I look out for the team, caretaker, never doubt the regime. I built a following off loyalty, without a machine. Make my coffee, throw a beat on. Go get what I'm owed, and that's just something we agreed on. They said it wouldn't be long, that's besides the point. I'm finally feeling like I belong. Just being me, that's the type of shit that we on. I'm sick of stressing about these numbers, man, they tire me out. Thinking I need a required amount to be happy. Stupid ass, it's like chasing a high I'll never reach. Kiss the happiness and wave it goodbye. While I'm scrolling on the internet comparing myself. It ain't right, but being aware of it helps. I gotta put my phone on D&D. Having conversations, it's just me and me. List of thoughts are piling like lines are at the DMV. Everything is handled, please, one at a time. Take a break, know I'm here for the ride. Now let it slide. Slide, slide, let it slide. I've been putting out these hits, motherfucker. Who you think that I am? It's Mr. Always Overcome when on the brink of a jam. I'll be damned if I don't ever have the power to thrive. I ain't waiting till my flowers arrive. I'll pat my own back. They said it's not the way, I took it head on, I ain't go back. Document the journey, check the catalog and Kodaks. Pictures worth 1,000 words, wrote at least 1,000 words. Multiply that shit by thousands, I've been losing count of words. If we talking about a verse, I could keep it round for round. I put it down, just found a hearse. Ain't a day I'm out of work. I could put a clinic on, that's just to show you how it works. Master on my craft, now take a seat and watch the crowd observe. Word.